ETL NSF certified 12 basket noodle cooker. First off, the overall dimensions. Entire length, we have 31.5 inches. Depth, we have 35.25 inches. Height, we have 44.75 inches. For each basket, we have 4.75 inches in length. And the height will be 5 inches. Again, 12 basket noodle cooker, six on each side. Again, this is for natural gas. Coming here in a cabinet, are your components. Back here is your gas inlet and your water inlet pipes. Our 12 basket ETL NSF certified pasta noodle cooker for natural gas. For any questions, give us a call or visit our website. Thank you.